Student Involvement hosted the honor celebration at Annie Pfeiffer Chapel on Thursday night. Awards were given to students and organizations for their work in the Florida Southern community over the school year. Awards included Best New Organization, Philanthropic Awards, and Fraternity and Sorority Life Awards. Some people were honored for being at the top of their field.
I won the Florida Southern Male Resident Advisor of the Year award. Winning this award was kind of like a big pat on the back. It was being an RA this year. First year RA is very tough. You have to work really, really hard, and so knowing that, first of all, that I even got nominated for the award was awesome, and winning it was even better. It just kind of goes to show you that hard work pays off. I do a little bit more than what you think of at first when you think of an RA. When you think of an RA at first, you think of door decks, bulletin boards, programs. But the best part about being an RA is just the connections you make with your residents.
Zeta Tau Alpha won the most awards for the night, including the Best Philanthropic Event, Sorority Woman of the Year, the Dean's Cup, and the Rising Star of the Year.
The recipient of the Rising Star Award. The Rising Star Award is given to a freshman or sophomore under 60 hours who is seen in their organization as someone who is a rising star and someone that they see a great potential leadership in. I think that there was a lot of people that were very deserving of this award, but I think that specifically I deserved to at least be a nominee for this award because of my passion that I have for Florida Southern and the passion that I have for my organization.
For more information on the honor celebration or any campus events, contact the Center for Student Involvement and the band show.